Good morning and welcome to Prakash Vidyalaya, where students love to learn. My dear students of class 6, today we are going to do the second chapter of civics, that is diversity and discrimination. In the last chapter I had explained you what is diversity. Diversity, the difference of various cultures, religion, caste, people belonging to different spheres, right from the rural to the urban India. And today we are going to do diversity and discrimination. Now, let us see what is the differences and prejudice. Again, a new word, prejudice. There are many things that make us what we are. There are 8 major religions in the world and each of them is practiced in India. People in India speak more than 1600 languages. Isn't that strange? Quite a strange and surprising thing that people in India speak 1600 different languages. And moreover, you all know that we all belong to different languages, different castes. It's a practical truth that we belong to different castes, different religion, different heritage. We follow different customs. There are different rituals in each caste and other people who are in the neighborhood of us. So let us see what is this differences and prejudice. There are sort of diversities which is not always celebrated. We feel safe and secure with only those people who talk and dress and think like us. That is one community. Means similar people who follow the same traditions, culture, festivals, they belong to one community. And people from certain attitudes and opinions about those who they do not like. We develop negativity opinions about other certain people and carry them forever. This thought, this idea of carrying a negative impression about others is called prejudice. Judging others negatively or seeing them as inferior is called prejudice. These prejudices are so strong that we do not want to form friendship with them or to go along with them, and we act in a way that hurts them. So, before hurting others, we should see that whatever we are having or forming an opinion about others, whether it is true or not. Generally, this sort of prejudice are not true or factful. Creating stereotypes. Another new word for you children is stereotypes. What is stereotypes? Creating stereotypes. Yes? Can anyone tell me what is stereotype? No? Well, gender differences are very common in India. Gender differences are common in India, and various stereotypes are associated with a boy and a girl. We are seeing right from the childhood, parents create the first difference. When a boy is born, parents get cars and other toys for the baby boy. Whereas when a girl is born, the parents get dolls, soft toys, a kitchen set, crockery sets for the baby girl. Right from there, they are discriminated. We cannot blame the society. Right from the house, people are discriminated. They are looked in a different way. This is called stereotype. As children grow up, they develop strong stereotypes. And these children gradually, when they develop, they create stereotypes. When we fix people into one image, we call it a stereotype. Like we only think that only girls can do household jobs, only men can fly planes. This is a wrong notion. Nowadays we have women pilots. Entire crew of the plane are women. So women have advanced. Women army are there. The ladies of India have formed into various strong armies in the national front. So we cannot create any stereotypes. We cannot say that only men can work in office, men can ride bikes, men can ride trucks. Even women are doing the same nowadays. I hope you all must have been seen this. And also that women have become great sportswomen also. In every field they are excelling. It stops us from looking at people as a unique individual. Things have changed. They have changed the images. It prevents us from doing things that we might be good at. Then inequality and discrimination. Inequality is deep rooted in our society of India. Inequality is deep rooted. When people act according to their stereotype, discrimination begins. We should not discriminate. We should not find differences that no, girls cannot do this, boys cannot do that. So, every opportunity is to be given for them to perform or act in that role, whatever is given to them. We should not discriminate among a boy and a girl. Differentiate or find stereotypes. Different people are engaged in different work. Some works are valued more than others. Some works are based on caste system and are seen as dirty and impure. Some people place and consider themselves as superior to others. Groups placed at the bottom of the social order were seen as unworthy and they were termed as low caste. Strict rules were set to restrict the so-called unworthy to the bottom of the social order, and these things revived. I hope you remember the name of B.R. Ambedkar, who started supporting the Dalits, who started saying that there are no Harijans, all are equal. And in the Constitution of India, everything is secular. Rights were denied to them and they were treated as untouchables. Once upon a time in the society, people were regarded and termed as untouchables and they were kept away from the society. But now, there are no barriers. Discrimination denies respect and dignity to the person being discriminated against. Striving for equality. And in the years that's passed, people are striving to find equality among all the human beings, irrespective of their birth, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their color or male or female. There is a strive for equality. During the freedom struggle against the British, some of the people fought for being treated equally. Constitution of India lays down a vision and goals to ensure that all people of India are equal in the eyes of law. India is a secular country with complete freedom to follow and practice any religion they want. All religions are given equal status and equal respect and regard. That is what makes India one of the most or the worst or the biggest secular nation in the world. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for. And after independence, rules were laid down to end any such type of discrimination based on caste or untouchability. Equality is seen as an important element of unity. Only then we can achieve more and advance much further. Thank you for having heard this lesson. I hope you all understood. Thank you.